In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Etsy chat support in the USA and Canada. Whether you're a buyer or a seller on Etsy, knowing how to contact support is crucial for resolving any issues that might come up. Let's walk through the steps to find the right support option tailored for your needs. To start, navigate to the Etsy Help Center and look for the section titled How to Contact Etsy Support. Remember that you'll need to be signed in to your Etsy account to see the various support options like chat, email, or a callback service. This step is essential because your account must be verified to access these personalized support features, so don't forget to log in before proceeding. Once you're on the help page, there's a Submit a Request Contact Support form available. This form serves as the central hub for many support inquiries you might have. Filling out this form will put you on the right path as Etsy uses it to determine the best way to address your concerns. Depending on the nature of your issue and your geographical region, you will be offered the option to chat, request a callback, or send an email to Etsy support. Now let's discuss how to access Etsy chat if it's available for you. If you're qualified and chat support is an option for your account, possibly due to regional availability or seller status, here are a few ways to locate it. One method is to enter your shop manager, navigate to Help or the Community and Help section, and then click on Contact Us. Here, you'll be asked to pick your issue category. Often you will need to dig through several subcategories to find the chat option, so patience is key here. Additionally, if chat is indeed available, look for a speech bubble icon that might appear, likely at the bottom right of your dashboard or help pages. This is an indicator that chat support is available for you at that moment. However, keep in mind that chat support isn't always available universally at all times. Many users have noted that having Etsy's star seller status often increases the likelihood of accessing chat support. This feature seems to appear more consistently for accounts that hold this recognition. These steps should equip you to reach out to Etsy support efficiently, whether you need help with an order, a shop issue, or a technical glitch. Knowing your way around these systems allows for quicker resolutions and more time for you to focus on what you love, whether that's shopping for unique items or managing your own Etsy store. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps you get the support you need swiftly and effectively.